function, let me start from left side. Any two logical function. If you don't know, tap your neighbor. I'll go to next, and likewise we can complete everything very fast. Don't know, pass. Be loud and clear, because sometimes you may give the right answer because your pitch is low, teacher don't understand, can mark negative. So need to be loud and clear.
Okay. About my voice not going.
No, just give me logical function, I'll understand.
Okay. So we have control.
Hey, I'm not able to hear him, and I'm sure that you people don't have a clarity of what is going on. If you can shift to first few rows, will be great, without disturbing anyone.
Okay. We have control shift.
Control shift.
Yes.
No, sorry. Let me go to your neighbor.
Count F somewhere.
Count F, sum F. You see, doing a task is not important. What is important is if it is asked to you and you don't have an answer, listen to what other people are saying, so that at least some preparation of yours is done inside this room only. Sum F, count F.
F's.
If, nested F.
That's count A.
Okay, count A is again. What is AND? First listen the question, then you pass it. Is recording on?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We'll share it to faculties and we'll prepare your faculties also beforehand,
सर वो छुप रहा है सर.
so that they know whom they are going to deal with. You see, like my status is only visible to my students. This video recording will be given access to all faculties who are teaching Excel course. So if you know something, you can get extra time. If you don't know something, no one will waste time on you. So don't give a pass easily, because this is going to be counted later. So even though it is not a direct evaluation, but indirectly something may be counted for. What is AND logical function? Can you give one example of AND logical function? No idea.
Sir, and logical function sees that whether the question is right or wrong. In case there are two options, more than or
Option or condition?
condition.
Use proper words to get full marks. Two options. Option can be anything. So say there are two logics or there are two conditions to be met. So both conditions are mandatory. AND means compulsory. OR means choice. Either or. Any one fulfilled is okay. So what is your final output in AND function?
Sir, and function.
Just give me the final output.
Sir, they give in true or false.
They give you your output in either true or false. Okay. Let me go to again first. What are the three subtypes or sub techniques under what if analysis? Very basic. And if you don't know, kindly use your system. See it around.
Okay. About what if analysis, we have a scenario for C.
Data table. How many types of data table do we have? Louder. Let me give you four choices. Pick one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You already know the options. How many types of data table technique you know? 1. Is it correct? Yes. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. What is the correct response then? 2. 2 is right. One-way data table, two-way data table. So data table can be applied in two ways. When only one series of information given or two variables are given to you and information is changing. So you see, one warning for everyone. Last exam where I gave my duty, in that question paper 10 questions were there. Every student is supposed to attempt only one. There were a group of students who got questions on data table, and it was very shocking to know that people who were attempting it. One lady showed me her execution and I said, where is data table in it? She said, sir, look at this table. Data is there, table is there, so this is data table. I said, this is not data table. I have to show her the particular path where data table is visible, and I then asked her, can you reattempt this using this technique? You see, if you don't know the technique, learning a technique during examination is very tough. I know people do discuss it in class, they do discuss it in exam, but learning a complete concept in that 3 hours time where 2 teachers are there in room is bit tough. So it is two-way through which you can use it. Now in goal seek, how many variables are available to you? Where value can be changed? Goal seek technique. One, let me give you choices. 1, 2 or 3. Only one? No idea.
Sir, to percentage and overall average.
No. We are saying how many variables are in motion. Means where value can change. Is it 1 variable, 2 variable? Only one? So goal seek is where you have only 1 variable item where value can change. Now if you see goal seek technique, you will find 3 things are required. Set cell, change value to, by changing which cell. So 3 things are asked for, and only 1 cell is where you can bring in a change. Can I give reference for 2 cells together in that 1 cell where change is required? Can I, instead of giving 1 cell reference, can I give 2 cells together? Are you sure? Can you show us a demo? You see, sometimes students do bluff. They claim it, I know, and then I give them my system. Kindly show. Because what you say and you don't know is a big blunder. If teacher cross-check it and you are unable to answer, then teacher is not ready to listen to anything else. If you say, I have never